Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The pound fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.6% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Vietnamese automaker VinFast said it would start construction of a $4 billion electric vehicle factory in North Carolina next week, as part of its push to expand in the United States market. Investors scaled back their bets that the Bank of England will hike interest rates aggressively after lower than expected inflation numbers prompted a huge rally in British government bonds. Crypto investors have poured money into Bitcoin exchange-traded products at a record pace ever since BlackRock filed for a spot-based ETF. New data shows the BTC equivalent exposure of ETPs listed worldwide increased by 25,202 BTC, $757 million, in 4 weeks to July the 16th.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's employment change will be released at 0130 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 0130 GMT. The Eurozone's consumer confidence at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's producer price index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.